it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S getting here with another reaction. Today, guys, we're here with Ayetian. Hope I'm saying the name right. Ayetian with BAM. So this one has been plastered all over the comment section. So we're here. Yeah, we're here. So let's go on the one and hear what the G officer. Let's go. First time listening to this artist. Don't know what to expect, but let's go.
With the latest out of neighboring Haiti, where a state of emergency remains in effect.
Armed gangs stormed 2 prisons on Sunday, which resulted in thousands of prisoners escaping.
Killing me free. Low blood in my eyes, I killing me free. Don't feel safe, prank me, killing for real.
𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Yo, cash grab.
Collective of gangs.
One nation, any other nation, a babe and fling. Rifle a spit bullet, a rain pan sink. No feel a skillet, a carry stove top heat. Shut a man know, me no wait punching. Escape prison and create crisis. Come me tell about Haiti and the life I live. Bam, 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 bam. The place come up. Boom, bam, boom, bam. Escape create havoc, yeah. We dwell in Ayobia. Gusto turn a good boy, no dopey bad. In a take long for we go fi man. And in a take long for you looking at me. Magic Papa 17, that chicken with a Latina. Mrs. C.I. that Gusto get free. Not ready fi go the real. Dirty money legal, use the Irish demon. Wait that calm. Haitian food on a boat in a storm. You go send me here, make a gamble car. Super one, man, a Haiti exam. Full of a bacon. Yeah. Yo, not bring him a tick come, right to see teeth, and I knock it out. Face full of hole, cast it close, get open up, place full of blood. Like gal, when they pussy us. Yeah. When you see the axe here, they tank full up shot, box him up the AK ram, you know. Yeah, it obvious, my crew malicious. And a pussy work can bad we up. Wait, man, I knew here, Japanima. Cut sharp, lady sir, and a Maca diamond. The Haitian is here, time for run the island. But it's like, cause he might not fuck up the time bomb. Jamapel, barbecue, say me kibal bal. How did I say the crime stop? Knocking a eye lock. There's a puffer in the pine pan. Knock it, no frying pan. That bad. Bam, 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 bam. The place come up. Boom, bam, boom, bam. Escape, create havoc, yeah. What we do? Knock it instant. Just deflate from the impact. The pussy them weak like bidding black. Knock you and a response. Pussy you we dead if you're distant. One nation. Any other Haitian will be a bomb fling. Rifle a spit bullet a rain pan zinc. No feel a skillet a carry stove top heat. Kakaka, yeah. Me we shot a man no one no weird punching. Escape prison and create crisis. Come and tell about Haiti and the life I live. Killing me free. I'm blood in my eyes, I'm killing me shit. Don't feel shit, prank me killing for real.
7 Haitians, including 8 children, drowned in a small boat arrived
Quick action by residents held in Haiti.
Don't feel shit, prank me killing for real.
2 years after the president.
Hold on. That's a lot to dissect. So many questions. They're jumping that one again. Wait. I'm going to stop though. I'm going to pause it a lot. Let's go.
With the latest out of neighboring Haiti, where a
So this
state
is the
of
headline
emergency
from
remains
Haiti.
in effect.
Armed gangs stormed 2 prisons on Sunday, which resulted in thousands of prisoners escaping.
Killing me free. Low blood in my eyes, I killing me free.
Phoenix Record, big up yourself. Production team, big up.
𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍.
Asian to the Jamaica.
Collective of gangs.
One nation, any other nation a babe and fling. Rifle a spit bullet a rain pan zinc. No feel a skillet a carry stove top heat.
Man's a rifle, a spit bullet, a rain pan zinc, like a raindrop. You know when raindrop sound pan zinc, but it's different.
Rifle a spit bullet a rain pan zinc. No feel a skillet a carry stove top heat. Shut a man know
Asian couldn't all.
me no wait punching. Escape prison and create crisis. Come me tell about Haiti and the life I live.
So, is he actually Asian? He's not Asian, right? He's not from Haiti, right? Comment section, help me out here. He's not from Haiti because him sound like Jamaican. I would say he's Jamaican, but I don't know. What is the significance with Haiti? Is he Haitian? I don't know. like I said, I have a lot of questions. Answer them in the comment section. I'm here for you.
Escape prison, create crisis. Come and tell about Haiti and the life I live. Bam, 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 bam.
He might tell about Haiti and the life him live. Bam, bam, bam.
Escape, create havoc, yeah. We dwell in Ayobia. Guzo turn a good boy, no dopey bad.
Dwelling in Ayobia, you know, say Asians are big for the Asian people in the comment section, big up on themselves. You know, but you know, say the Asian people them big pan the Obia, big pan the Guzo. So he must say him dwelling at the Obia, what him say, the Obia turn a good boy in a dopey bat.
We dwell in Ayobia. Guzo turn a good boy, no dopey bad. In a take long for we go fi man. And in a take long for you looking at me. Match up a 17 that.
You know, take long for we go for man, and you know, take long for you looking at a beam.
We go fi man. And in a take long for you looking at me. Match up a 17 that chicken with a Latina. Mrs. Yai that.
But some chicken with a Latino, him say you're weak to girl, you're weak to pussy. So we are gonna send a sexy Latino for you, if come trick you, and we just hold you and mash you up.
Looking at me, match up a 17 that chicken with a Latina. Mrs. Yai that. Who's to get free, the ready for God the real. Dirty money legal, use the Alicia demon.
Him sound like a Tommy Lee, like a Tommy Lee type of demon voice I go on here, so. But further on down in the song, let's get to it.
Who's to get free, the ready for God the real. Dirty money legal, use the Alicia demon. Wait that calm, Haitian food on a boat in a storm. You go send me here, make a gamble calm.
Asian forward on a boat in a storm. What where's his destination?
Haitian food on a boat in a storm. You go send me here, make a gamble calm. Super when me like Haiti exam, full of American. Yeah. Yo, not bring him a tick come.
Alright, that part you know. So earlier when we mentioned Tommy Lee name, that part you know, him that sound like a bit of vertical and skill bank put together.
And I knock it out, face full of wool, cast it close, get open up, place full of blood, like gal when they pussy was. Yeah. When you see the axe here, they tank full up shot box him up the AK ram, you know.
Definitely.
Yeah, it obvious my crew malicious, and a pussy work can't body up. Man a new year Japanima, cut sharp lady sir, and a maca diamond.
Cut sharp lady sir and a maca diamond.
Man a new year Japanima, cut sharp lady sir, and a maca diamond.
Oh, the sir in a lady sir name, that him I refer to. Cut sharp, sir, yeah, and a maca diamond. Get it.
Man a new year Japanima, cut sharp lady sir, and a maca diamond. The Haitian is here, time for run the island, but it's like cause he might not fuck up the damn bomb. JAMAICA'S barbecue, say me ki bal bal.
JAMAICA'S barbecue, my name is barbecue. JAMAICA'S barbecue, say my same name barbecue.
Cause he might not fuck up the damn bomb. JAMAICA'S barbecue, say me ki bal bal. How did I see the crime stop? Knocking a eye lock. There's a puffer in the pine pan. Knock it, no frying pan. That bad. Bam, 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 bam. The place go. Bam, boom, bam. Escape, create havoc, yeah. What we do? Knock it instant. Just deflate from me impact. The pussy them weak like bidding black. Knock you and a response. Pussy you with dead if you're distance.
They pussy them weak like building block him say. Building block weak without cement and steel the night for show. I show him attack. Building block weak, it easy if it broke. Yeah, I show.
Like bidding black, knock you and a response. Pussy you with dead if you're distance. One nation, any other Haitian will be a bomb fling. Rifle a spit bullet a rain pan sink. No feel a skillet a carry stove top.
Jamaica man take up beer.
Yeah, me we shot a man no one no weird punching. Escape prisoner create crisis. Come and tell about Haiti and the life I live. Killing my brain. I'm blood in my eyes, you're killing my shit. Don't feel shit, pride, me killing for real.
7 Haitians, including 8 children, drowned in a small boat around the
Quick action by residents held in
Don't feel safe, pride, me killing for real.
2 years after the president.
What class?
It's going to be the next Haiti. Mark my words.
Bobo clad. Mark my words. What can I say? First time hearing the artist, first time I listen to the J. Let me know what you guys think though. Obviously, well, you guys do check for your music, cause like I said, the comment section has been crazy. You see me? So which part the G forward from? Jamaica, Trinidad, Haiti. Where him forward from? That's the first question I wanted to answer for me. Where? Give me some insight about this artist. I don't know this artist. First time listening to this artist. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know some information about the G. You see me? Asian, big up yourself, bro. Production team, I want to big up on yourself. Big up the whole on yourself, man. The video nice, the video clean, the video match back to Wagwan and 80 for real. So it would be nice to find out about this artist. Cause like I said, I don't know about this artist. Sorry for being in the dark. But yeah, let me know. I'll catch you guys on the next one for real though. Big up on yourself. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip corner.